Is this the end of Shiba Inu coin's market crash? Now, we're going to be talking about it in the video today. Nobody knows, right? But 102 billion Shiba Inu coin on the move. Say that it might be so. Overall, the market is rebounding today. Overall, prices are green. We're still at a level of extreme fear, but slightly bouncing off that level of 10. So we're going to be going over the numbers. We're going to be talking about that article, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Maybe 2 weeks? I don't know. December 5th, December 6th, sometime around there, I can start posting again on my other channel. We're going to see how that goes. I'm going to be consistent on both channels, so if you haven't clicked subscribe button on this one, please do. But I do want to say this. Okay, YouTube is really cracking down on cryptocurrency content. You're not allowed to talk essentially about trading or what coins are good and bad and so on. What is permitted, however, is just general discussions, educational content, news, which is what this is, and discussions about cryptocurrency. So I will add my opinion, I will add my commentary, I will add all of that. But we're going to go over the latest cryptocurrency news, including Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the market, so that you guys can make your decisions, right? It is as simple as that. In no way is this video a promotion, a recommendation, a promise, anything. Now, you make your own decisions. YouTube's happy. I'm happy. And we can continue to talk about cryptocurrency. So let's jump into this article here. It says over 102 billion SHIB left exchanges in a single day, which is one of the most significant on-chain signals that we have seen during this entire sell-off. This is not a normal flow. This kind of massive negative net flow during a free fall usually indicates that large holders are removing coins from the market, which lessens the immediate pressure to sell. That is a very good sign. Now, brutal SHIB performance, and it has been brutal over the last couple of weeks and really over the last year, guys. All of 2025 has seen the prices hit lower lows, lower highs, and it's been very tough for Shiba Inu coin and the entire crypto market. People are insane, out of their minds, afraid of the tariff talks and all of that, and it has really weighed on the price action of meme coins and cryptocurrency in general. It says, considering SHIB's current chart, this is important. For weeks, the price action has been brutal, with all of the major moving averages stacked above the price and pointing down, as well as lower highs and lower lows. Momentum has been very pessimistic. However, the RSI collapsing in a deep oversold territory, one of the lowest readings of the year, was what stopped the bleeding, not the structure. In the past, Shiba Inu coin only recovered when the RSI reached these extremes, and we have just reached them once more. So if you want to check out the chart, you can do that here. It says the outflow timing coincides with that technical weariness almost exactly. The crypto quant data demonstrates a clear transition from large inflows, which typically comes before sell-offs, to persistent outflows over several days. Coins are no longer being sent to exchanges for disposal, as indicated by a sharp negative 20 billion to negative 100 billion SHIB net flow readings. They are heading out. This eliminates the ongoing supply pressure that has been fueling the decline, but it does not itself start a rally. Now, the RSI has also bottomed out. Whether this is a pause or the end of the crash is the question. 3 pieces of evidence currently point to stabilization. RSI bounced after being oversold. Shiba Inu coin previously bottomed these RSI levels on occasion, and the most recent bounce is tidy but modest. Outflows of money are increasing rather than decreasing, as 102 billion SHIB are leaving exchanges, and the 750 to 800 support cluster is being held up by the price. Guys, all 3 of these indicators could lead to a Shiba Inu coin rebound. The overall market, SHIB is not going to move without the overall market moving higher. Okay, SHIB is not going to soar during a period of extreme fear. It can start. These could be the lows, absolutely. But in order to see the emotional buys, the same way that we're seeing emotional sells right now, we need to see sentiment return to greed and extreme greed. So I am using this as an opportunity to accumulate. If you guys are interested in accumulating right now, I like to use the KCEX exchange. Now, because YouTube is being very strange, this is not a recommendation for you to do so. It's not a promotion, whatever. You will have a link for it down in the description if you guys are interested in it. But I use it because the futures fees, 0%, 0% maker, 0% taker on meme coins. Best selection of crypto I've seen available in the United States. And, of course, you have leverage trades up to 125x. Now, like I said, though, make your own decisions. YouTube does not like cryptocurrency trading. So just make sure that it is something you are comfortable with if you're going to go out there and do anything like that. I am also diversifying. One of the tokens that I've been buying into is Best Wallet. You guys got a link for that down there as well. 3 days, 19 hours until this ICO is over. But I believe that this is not just a meme coin. It is a wallet. It is already out there. It is usable. It is downloadable. So you guys can check it out if you want to check that out as well. Let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.